Today on Designing Spaces, how to improve your water quality. Advice from the home care experts at Frontdoor. Boost your curb appeal with decorative concrete. And customizing your shower doors. Time to design. Water, one of our most important natural resources. It's literally part of our daily ebb and flow. But what exactly is in our water? And how does it affect our well-being? One family in Ohio who's been looking for a solution that benefits their health, finances, and our planet is about to find out.
Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Krupa. I'm here today with Moen. We are installing a whole home water filtration system in Cleveland, Ohio for our family, Cassidy and Rob. Follow me in.
We went to the University of Akron and we signed up for a study abroad trip. We met actually in the airport on the way to Europe, and right away I knew that I was in love with him. We have a little girl who is turning 2 in July.
We're expecting baby due in November. We're really excited. Hi, I'm Rob.
I'm Cassidy.
We're in Cleveland, Ohio, and today we're getting a new water filtration system.
The family that's receiving the whole home water filtration system today is a perfect candidate.
We use our water in all aspects of our life. We are drinking it, washing dishes, using it for our coffee in the morning, showers, baths for our daughter, washing our clothes, giving it to our dogs. And we've had a lot of conversations around the quality of our water and how we'd like to improve that.
Today, we are buying bottled water just because our water is so hard and it doesn't taste how we want it to taste.
I recently came across a study that the amount of microplastics that we are consuming just from those bottles of water is just unfathomable.
On average, Americans usually consume around 5 grams of microplastic a week, which is the equivalent of a credit card.
So I think eliminating those, both for our health and environmentally, will be huge.
So with their system, I know they have a baby on the way. Not only are they going to protect themselves, they're also going to protect their loved ones as well.
We care a lot about what goes into our water. We recently tested it, and there's a lot of different substances that we didn't know was in our water, like lead and maybe arsenic. And we just really want our family to be safe and protected.
We have installers right now installing our whole home carbon water filtration system. With this system, it goes on your main water line and it uses activated media to then purify and filter your water. So with city water, it's going to remove contaminants such as arsenic, lead, and iron. And with this water filtration system, there's no maintenance at all. Not only will it help with the longevity of your appliances, it can also help with your health and wellness. You're not ingesting any of those contaminants. And additionally, it can also have beauty benefits as well. So softer skin and softer hair.
Installing a Moen whole home filtration system is going to change our lives. We're going to be able to budget better without buying all the bottled water that we do today. And knowing my family is safe and using the water every single day is going to be awesome.
Moen's under-sink water filtration products provide 2 different options of filters. So first, we have our under-sink advanced water filtration system, which provides a 1-year filter and removes 77 contaminants, which is industry leading in terms of contaminant removal. We also have a reverse osmosis system, which provides premium level water quality and also provides a 1-for-1 water efficiency ratio, which not only cuts down on water, but it also conserves the water at the end of the month. 2 out of 5 homeowners experience water damage. Our Flow Smart Water Shutoff valve is installed directly at the water main, and it protects your home against leaks. If a leak is detected, it will send a notification to your smartphone via the Smart Water app and will automatically shut off your water, protecting you and your home.
Knowing that we have a Moen app that will let us know we have a water leak going on, we might not even be home. It's awesome knowing that Moen has our back and we can be protected from any future water leaks.
Having that will provide a great peace of mind. We're extremely excited about this new filtration system. Our appliances in home are going to work better. Our coffee maker, our dishwasher, even our washing machine. Our clothes are going to be softer, our coffee better, our dishes cleaner. So we're super excited about this new system and all of the benefits that it will provide.
To learn more about Moen water filtration and what they can do to transform and improve your home or business, visit moen.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information. The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
Gas valves can vary in location, shape, and number depending on the age of your house. Learning the location of your shutoff valve could save your life. If you don't know where your gas valve is, check a street side valve next to the gas meter. This is the main shutoff point. A house side valve located inside your house where the pipe enters your home. This ball valve should be attached to a black iron pipe. High pressure systems, newer homes with high pressure gas systems have gas shutoff valves located near the water heater or furnace. All gas appliances should have a shutoff within 6 feet and be easily accessible. Once located, it is recommended that you label them because in the event of repairs, installation, or emergencies, you'll want to be able to stop the flow of gas to your appliances quickly.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert. There's no hard and fast rule when it comes to upping your curb appeal, but first impressions are everything. Today we're going to show you how coloring driveways and walkways is an easy and effective way to make your home stand out.
Curb appeal is tremendously important. It's always the first impression of a home, so it deserves proper attention. With so many homes, the first two elements that you see will be a driveway or a walkway. Yet these are often overlooked whenever people are redoing their spaces. It's incredible the difference that you can make with decorative concrete just by adding color to these two spaces.
Just ask homeowner Sherry Anderson, who knew she needed a change.
Well, we love our home. We knew ever since moving in that we wanted to update the front. With the amount of concrete with our two driveways and entryway, we knew that that was going to be the area for us to focus on initially.
So this project was very interesting. The home has somewhat of a modern vibe, but it was hidden behind very bland and boring concrete. We discussed several different options that would help bring this concrete to life, really by taking the modern design of the home and extending it to the curb. When we first saw the pictures of the Andersons' home, it was very clear to us that decorative concrete was going to make a huge impact on the look of their home.
What I love about what we do at Direct Colors is we get to introduce decorative concrete to so many people that don't realize this is a great option for making a home or making a business something special, a unique way to improve a space from a standpoint of floors, walls, countertops, patios, decks, anything you could think of. Restaurants use this, applications on sidewalks. Again, there's a great opportunity to take something where you typically walk on concrete, you see it everywhere you go, but yet you don't realize that you could take it and make it special. And what I love is that we offer so many different ways to make that happen. All the different colors, all the different solutions, all found in one place with some amazing project specialists that will really help guide you every single step of the way.
While researching our options for concrete applications, I went online and everywhere we looked, we would see Direct Colors. We were able to touch base with a product specialist with Direct Colors, and they were able to direct us to the best products and applications that best fit our needs.
I believe customers are interested in our products really for three primary reasons. One is selection. We have one of the largest selections available on the market for decorative concrete products, so we can sell into just about any project. Another thing is trust. We've been around for a long time, over 20 years. And with the presence, we've become very reputable in the business. We have thousands of 5-star reviews. Customers trust what we do. And I would say a third component would be our service. The service side of the business is amazing. We have a customer support team that is second to none. We have project specialists with years of experience to help guide customers through the process. And we stay with them from beginning to end to make sure they get the job done right.
There are 3 main steps to every concrete project. The first is to assess and prep the concrete surface. For concrete that's in rough shape, can be ground down, sanded, or an overlay. For concrete that's in good condition, you can simply power wash it to remove any dirt and debris. Next is to apply the stain according to the manufacturer's recommended process. With direct colors, you can simply follow their how-to guides, which dictates either rolling it on or spraying it on. Last is to apply a number of recommended coats of sealer to protect your finish.
This has far exceeded all of my expectations. I love my new home. Thank you to Direct Colors for bringing a product that is as simple as staining your ugly gray concrete and beautifying an entire home with that.
With decorative concrete, the possibilities are infinite. And since concrete is the second most consumed product in the world after water, there are endless ways to take the bland and make it BAM. From patios, garages, driveways, to inside surfaces such as flooring, countertops, and walls, you're only limited by your imagination.
Bathroom renovations can be a headache. From creating a budget to finding the right contractor, it takes time and it takes planning. But no worries, because the folks at My Shower Door design, manufacture, and install all their products, and they're going to show us just how easy a brand new shower door can be. Easy's good, right? Let's check it out. Bill, good morning.
Welcome, Judith. Welcome to My Shower Door.
Great to be here. Wow, what a big showroom with so many fully built out units, so many built out showers, so much great hardware, lots of options here.
We thought it was really important for you to come in and see, feel, touch, operate the door so you know what you're buying.
Tell me a little more about the company. What is it that makes My Shower Door different?
Well, we specialize in frameless shower doors. I mean, that's all we do. As you walk around here and you see the different displays, you're going to see that we have a shower door for every application. I can't wait to show you the rest.
Let's not wait. Let me see.
Come on, let's go.
All right.
Based on our conversations, there's something down here I think you'd like.
All right, let me see.
I think right about here might fit your expertise,
my aesthetic,
right?
Yes. You know, I love a good penny tile, and I love the brass. I love the French door opening.
Take a look at this.
Can I go in?
Sure.
All right, in I go.
In
I go. Love the brass. These are
what's really nice,
beautiful doors.
Go ahead and swing the door in.
Ah.
There's a real benefit there. So when you shower and it's collected water, swing it in, let it drip into the shower instead of out on the floor.
Beautiful. What kind of glass is this, by the way?
So this is what they call low iron glass. Has less of a greenish color to it. So it really pops, gives it a higher clarity.
Beautiful. I love this design. Now, what is this? Is this called a slider here?
Yes, it is. Let's take a look at that as well.
I like.
Go ahead and slide it.
I will.
This is unusual because it has a glass headrail. Gives you an even more open look.
Very streamlined.
And both doors operate, so they can bypass each other.
Look at that.
Isn't that nice?
Absolutely stunning. Very modern.
Very modern. It's the hottest trend
going.
going.
A modern customer like myself. Beautiful. So Haley, I hear you are the perfect person to ask all of my shower questions to, right?
Yes.
So when a customer comes into the showroom and they're looking for a brand new shower, tell me what the process basically is.
Sure. So when they come in, what we always ask is they can bring a picture of their space so we can help design it and envision it, what they have.
Like a reference.
Exactly. So we determine if you can do a swing door or slider or maybe both, and you have options. So we go through that, and then we really show you all the different hardware that you can choose from. Obviously, there's all these different types of finishes, which are really fun.
A lot more than there used to be, right?
Oh my gosh, it used to be only the brushed nickel, chrome, and polished brass. And now, you know, the trends have changed. A lot of people are doing gold, but like your satin or your brushed, and even black, which is really fun. So you could do less hardware, or you can make a little more of a statement and do like what's called U-channel. So there's pros and cons to both. But really, when you come in here, we just want to educate you on what your options are, because no one would think there's this many options when it comes to a shower door.
That's true.
But really there is, and really a shower door is what kind of is the finishing touch to the space and brings it all together. So we just show you everything.
So when a customer gets the shower door done, is every one of the doors customized for each homeowner?
They are. So we don't have any of our glass at stock because really what happens is even if you retile, your house settles, your condo, whatever the case may be, walls shift. You're able to make it whatever you are wanting. We fabricate it in-house, so we're able to cut anything you're wanting, create anything in the glass that you may have this idea of. So it's really fun being able to have these capabilities and bring their vision to life.
Yeah, it really is the focal point of the whole bathroom.
It is.
I cannot wait to see how the glass is made. That's going to be exciting.
It is quite the process. You're going to be, I think, amazed from it. It's really cool, and I think you're really going to enjoy seeing it.
So we've headed to the glass manufacturing facility to get a little behind the scenes, and we've got Lauren here to tell us how they make such beautiful shower doors. Lauren, there's a lot going on here. What happens here at this facility?
Sure. So all of our glass for my shower door comes through this facility. And we're located right here in Southwest Florida. The process flows through the factory pretty seamlessly. The first part of the process is the panel of glass for your shower is cut, right? So we take large sheets of annealed glass, cut it to the exact measurements from our sales team. Once it's cut, it moves into our polishing department. The polishing department is where all four edges of that glass is given that real fine furniture quality look and feel. After polish, the next step is fabrication. So any holes in the glass for things like handles or towel bars, notches for our hinges, or really any other cutouts in the glass that are needed happen in fabrication.
Okay.
After fabrication, it's sent to the last step, which is tempering. And we actually have 2 tempering furnaces here in the factory. Tempering is where that annealed glass is really transformed into more of a safety glass. It gives it like 4 times the strength and really allows it to be used in an application for shower doors. And because we control the entire process here, from measuring to manufacturing to installation, it really allows us to ensure that our customers are getting the highest quality glass, and we can also control the lead time to allow our customers to get their glass as fast as possible.
So Lauren, when a customer comes in and they want a new shower, how does that process start?
Yeah, so really it starts with them going to our website, myshowerdor.com.
Okay.
They're either going to give us a call or submit an online form for an estimate. Ultimately, we would invite them into the showroom. So once they're in the showroom, we would set up an in-home consultation free of charge. That's where our team is going to actually get the physical measurements. They're going to go over the different styles that we offer and the options to make sure it'll fit exactly for what they're looking for. And then at that point, really, when they're ready to go, we would send it through the process, get it through the factory, and get it back in there for them installed. When we hear from our customers, obviously in a positive way, and it really just makes us, continue to strive to do better each time.
So for more information, we can go to myshowerdor.com, and of course, you can always go to designingspaces.tv. And we are headed to my house to measure my shower, right?
Let's do it.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.